Alright, boys and girls, our last problem we're going to use on the strategy for long division, or the method for solving division with long division, is going to be 65 divided by 4. I'm going to give you the chance to work this out on your paper or your whiteboard on your own. I'm going to work it out on my paper here, and then we're going to walk through the whole thing when we're done. If I finish and I say, okay, we're ready to go, we're going to check over this. If you're not done, pause your video and then keep on working on your division, work it out, do your check at the end, and then when you're ready, you can continue the video and then you can still check your answer here. Alright, so you're doing 65 divided by 4, and you're doing your long division method. I want to see, well, I can't see, I wish I could. I want you to practice what numbers are going where, how you set them up, and I want you to be able to walk through step by step. And make sure you have your top-bottom chart or your multiplication chart so that way you can use that to help you out if you need it. I'm sorry my marker's so loud. Alright, so again, if you're not done, and you want to go ahead and you want to finish up your problem, push pause, and then when you're done with it, you can check your work to make sure you've got it. If you're good to go, just go ahead and let the video keep on playing. Alright, so 65 divided by 4. We had to look first, that's our divisor, that's our driver, so we have 4 going into 6. So you're seeing how many groups of 4 can you make out of 6. If you're using your top-bottom chart, you have 2, 3, 4. This is our only chart that we're looking at. If I'm looking under my bottom number here, how close to 6 can 4 get? I can't go over, I don't see 6, so I've got to go right here with my top one on 4. So my top number is going to be 1. That's going to go up above my 6. That's saying that out of a total of 6, if I'm trying to divide that by 4, I can only make one group of 4 out of a total of 6. So I've got Dad divide, Mom multiply. 1 times 4 gives me 4. After Mom multiply, I sister subtract. 6 minus 4 gives me 2. Brother bring down, I have to bring down this 5 and turn that 2 into a 25. Now you're going to divide, not up here, you're going to look down here to see 25 and 4. You're going to see how many times can 4 go into 25. How close, if you don't see 25, if you didn't see 25, how close can 4 get to 25? You look at your top-bottom chart, you look at your 4s, you don't see 25, but the closest you see without going over is 24. Your top number is going to be 6. That's going to go up here at the top. That's how many groups of 4 you're able to make out of 25. You're able to make 6 groups. Mom multiply, 6 times 4 gives me 24. Sister subtract, 25 minus 24. 5 minus 4 gives me 1. 2 minus 2 gives me 0. I don't have another number to bring down, so I'm not repeating my steps. That 1 is going to be my remainder. So for your quotient, when you look to see how many groups of 4 can you make out of 65, you have 16 groups of 4 with 1 left over. So to double check your work, you had 16 times 4. 6 times 4 gives me 24. I put my 1's place down here and I carry my 10's. 1 times 4 is 4 plus 2 gives me 6. That was the opposite of your division. That was your inverse. And then you got to think, what's the inverse of subtraction? Addition. So you have to add on your remainder. 64 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 6 plus nothing gives me 6. So if your numbers here are correct, then your quotient at the top here is correct. Alright, boys and girls, that's the last problem that I have using long division. The following videos are going to be focusing on box division. It's still kind of the same as you would see with long division. The only thing with box division is it makes columns that you'll see, and it helps to kind of keep everything a little bit more organized. Alright.